Well, Excel is a great program for making graphical representations of the data have in the table. I select range. I insert a chart and practically, with the options that Excel has by default, I get the result of a fairly attractive graph. Normally this will be sufficient. I might have some problem, like when I want certain numerical data to be the headers that appear in an axis. Although I now know how to remedy this kind of issue. But now I want to have more control over the chart. I don't especially like, for example, the look of this axis indicating the euros with 2 decimal places with a graph that doesn't go into so much detail. There must be quite a lot of options for me to improve the presentation of this graph. I'll have to investigate them.